All aboard the game train, boys! I'm your hobo, Franklin.
And this is Conductor Steven.
Last time in the game train, I was playing Super Mario Galaxy. We got our star in Hive Galaxy, got one in the Flip Switch Galaxy, and got another Grand Star, Steven.
And the mysterious star lady was trying to get Mario to run away.
And also, we unlocked a new dome, the Fountain. However, I just remembered we forgot a star in Hive Galaxy.
And there's still no sign of Brakeman Josh, which is why we've gone on this runaway of making videos.
Yep, but until he gets here, I guess we'll continue the Terran Stone.
Nothing can
See,
stop
we
us.
forgot one. I knew I forgot one. And let's go get this star real quick, and we can move on to the Hungry Luma. But we ever played Hungry and those?
Yeah.
It was a very fun childhood game. Always lost it.
Hudson Press has an advanced version.
Really? What's it called?
It's the same name.
Really?
Yeah.
And why is it advanced?
Because it's just reasons.
Reasons. Yeah, totally. It's so advanced. It's the same thing, but advanced.
The whole Mandybug clan has infested our kingdom.
Is that your B voice?
Sure. I like the... Wait, I've got a B voice here. And I was buzzing around the building.
Let's try it again with another
something.
B.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
There you always be right there.
Are you too busy?
What did I say, bro?
Silly Mandybugs. They get mad and only can charge in one direction.
Oh, that's what these things are called. You know what? For all the time to play this game, I didn't know they're actually called Mandybugs. Believe it or not. But yeah, these things are Mandybugs, boys. Oh, missed it. Dang it. You're supposed to home into people, Mario. Oh, hey.
The neighbors are causing trouble again. Would you be grateful for your assistance? We would be grateful for your assistance.
And your marriage.
Okay. Apparently the Queen Bee is showing her stuff again, and she's competing with Mystic Star Lady.
Yeah, censored. You don't look at children. Look.
Yeah, use the launch star to cover that up, please.
Look, B Mario.
Clean up, aisle 1.
Ready for more suckage, Steven? Because this power up I don't like it at all.
See, when he's in the bee suit, he can be easily seduced by the Queen.
I know. Also, you can't long jump, nor can he crouch jump, which sucks. But don't worry, viewers. Later on the road, we'll go down to a power up even worse than the bee suits. I won't spoil anything until we get there. But take a guess. What kind of Mario?
Whoa!
It's a giant pincher. That's why I call these things pinchers. Okay, what are they actually called, Steven?
Mandybugs?
No, the actual bug.
I don't know.
Are they called pinchers? Because I don't think that's what they're called. Viewers, if you know what these big bugs are called, leave a comment in the video.
The shield ones?
And the shield ones with that pinchers in their heads.
Oh.
I don't know if we can beat this boss, Steven. It's too hard. But this boss, it's annoying. Because here's the part where it gets annoying right here.
Well, that seems like a personal issue.
Look, it's red like the air. How hard is... How hard... Oh, never mind. Oh, what? How did that not count? That's some bullcrap I've never seen, Steven. Oh, by the way, we do not use vulgar language. You only use the PG-13 version.
Yeah.
Viewer discretion advised. We refuse the curse until to time notice. Which is never. Because we are gentle souls who like kid-friendly content, okay?
Except when we go to commercials for Progressive Insurance.
In that case, we can't do much about that.
Yeah. They do their own thing.
They just do them. I missed.
You just be you. That's what this world says, and it's such a problem
You mean
anymore.
be you, Steven?
You be you, yes.
Oh, come on! This is why his boss gets so annoying right this part right here. There! Jeez. Took me long enough.
Sounds like the lizard thing from Star Wars Attack of the Clones.
You mean the third movie?
Maybe.
I think no, actually no. The third one's actually called Revenge of the Sith, right?
Yeah. I think that's in Attack of the Clones, though.
Yeah.
5 minutes to go. 5.
Viewers, what is your favorite out of the prequels? Mine is the third one.
Revenge of the Sith, Attack of the Clones, or Phantom Menace? Let us know.
If you see the Phantom Menace, I'm going to ask you what's wrong with you. Just kidding. Everybody has subjective opinions. Let's see what's your favorite.
If you don't go with the Phantom Menace, you might just get mauled.
Ah! Prepare for a lot of that in this channel, viewers.
Yep.
Hey, you! Yeah, you! Got any titsy starbits? If you a bunch of starbits, I'll burst with a snacky happiness and then transform. I vanish. I need 400!
Starbits to curb the hunger pangs.
Oh, we only have 363.
More.
This is a rip. Es un rubo, okay?
Es un robo.
This is a ripoff.
This is a robbery in Spanish.
No, this is a ripoff.
Or ripoff, rather, yeah.
This is a robbery. Put your hands up. Imagine like Mario's an actual thief. Alright, everybody, put your hands in the air and give me your power stars. Anyway, so let's see. So let's see. You're right. I guess we are checking out the fountain in the next episode. Remember you said in the last episode?
Yep. Well, I got my schedule from dispatch, so I figured that was what we were doing.
Yay! So what do you got here? Space Junk Galaxy.
Oof.
This is what happens if you don't throw your stuff away properly, guys.
Kids, this is why we don't have nice things.
This is an environmental message. You're actually an environmental channel.
Yeah, for further reference, talk to Mr. Sean Miller.
You don't know who it is. And trust me, you won't. You never will.
Okay, that's enough.
I know, I feel pretty evil, Steven. I think I'll join Bowser's side.
No, because then I'm screwed. I don't know what to do. Plus, I'm still just a cursor.
I'm only a mere cursor. What can you
I'm just a cursor. Yes, I'm only a cursor, and I'm clicking up here.
So make sure we collect. Make sure we collect. I think 37 starbits. So we get a Hungry Lumba open. On the next episode, maybe. You never know. You never tell. Woo! Will you ever tell, Steven?
I don't know.
Steven!
Oh, prepare for a lot of that on this channel, too.
Can I tell them where it originated?
Sure.
So, back at our friend's Josh's house, we played this game called Scatterball. And Steven was one person that had the ball at a time. And so I was like running away from it, and the basement was kind of dark where we were playing at. So I decided it'd be a good idea. It's near Halloween, I think, so I decided it'd be a good idea to scare him. So I went, Steven! You gotta come catch me!
Scatterball shout out to Vincelets.
But we're talking about Josh's place, though.
Yeah, but he's the one who came up with it, I think. Okay, 1 minute 30 to go.
Okay, so I'm gonna put a stop to it after we're done this. After we go over that planet.
Put the brakes on. Oh wait, we can't. Josh isn't here, which means more episodes coming your way.
Wait, speed. Okay, speed run. Here we go. Speed run right here. Get out of my way, chocolate chip mint cookie.
Oh, Frank, remember? Speechify.
But doesn't that look like a chocolate chip mint? Doesn't it look like a chocolate mint chocolate cookie to you?
Not really.
Viewers, in the comments below, say what your favorite cookie flavor is.
Frank, remember? Speechify.
Speechify, yeah, I forgot about that. Earlier today we were at lunch Panera, and Josh is like, okay, speechify yourself.
Yeah, which it should be explain yourself by giving a speech, but details.
Hey look, my friend's Toads are here. It's your boy Toad.
30 seconds to go. 30?
Speed run. Alright, tell you what, this level's almost over. We'll finish this video. Finish this level doing both in the video.
Yep.
So might as well just, yeah. Look, Captain Toad's back. Da-da-da-da! Master Mario! As the brave gem of the toad, tuber grade, I have chimes and marimbas. And some guitar riff. And an alert single. And some comedic reaction.
Oh, I feel like I'm on a sandy beach.
No, this is when someone makes some dumb comment.
Shout out to Verizon.
So, sorry, my boy here, Steven, he's playing a lot of things.
I'm trying to get a less annoying alarm set.
That's fine. I got something one. Oh no, do the jungle one. The jungle one's fine.
Jungle?
You know what? We'll size after the video's over. How about that, Steven?
Sounds good.
Alright.
Oh no.
I've already discovered a shortcut to the Power Star. Take the Sling Star at the top of the star room. Okay, so again, Steven, what is certain these things from the other things? This is a Sling Star. The bigger ones are Warp Stars. You see? Racism in a Mario game. How dare you racist a launch star plan? Anyway, these are silver stars, viewers. Collect 5 of them, you get a Power Star. Hear that, Steven?
Yeah.
Good. Because you might be doing it in the near future. Or not, who knows? We'll never know unless Steven receives something to ask.
Unless he's something besides a player precursor.
Yeah. No, don't worry. We might get more Steven action later. Who knows? Only if Steven's up to it. But don't bother commenting it because we'll probably have most of these videos done before you see them, or not. Who knows? The star's all the way over there, Steven. I don't feel like going over there.
Yeah, me neither, man.
It's such a hard task.
I'm a lazy American.
I'm surprised I haven't died yet. I mean, I know I'm good, but I'm not that good. So far away. Gosh dang it. I knew I should have lived up the pasta. Oh gosh. Oh jeez. Alright, this is taking forever. Yay! I got the star!
And that's about all we have time for.
Yes, it is. Thank you for watching. This has been your Hobo Franklin.
And Conductor Steven. We'll see you on the Gaming Rails next episode.
As we finally find out what's behind that hungry Luma, and continue with the fountain in Space Junk Galaxy.
And just what Mario considers to be junk.
Ha 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 ha. Hotel Mario.
What is Mario's junk is our treasure.
Anyway, we'll see you on the next gaming track. Bye!